Okay, today we're going to talk about troubleshooting the power cord or your rope light. So 5 minutes ago, this rope light was actually working. It was working perfectly fine. I removed the power cord itself here and I shorted it out on my needle nose pliers here. You can see the burn marks. As soon as I did that, the cord popped. Now, I don't know really what popped without testing it. Usually the weakest link that I found is the rectifier. This is usually the weakest link. However, inside the male cord cap here is the fuse. I believe this is a 5 amp bus fuse. So this would be the first thing I'm going to look at. Did the fuse blow? Now, doing a visual inspection, I don't believe it did blow. However, we'll just go ahead and use our multimeter and do a continuity check. I'm going to turn it to continuity. Okay, have no continuity there. And go ahead and put one on each side of the fuse, and I do have continuity. Now there is an extra fuse in here. If I was skeptical, maybe I would just swap the good fuse with the fuse that was possibly blown. But both of the fuses, both the good fuse and the old fuse, has continuity, so they both are good. So I believe it is not the fuse that is the issue. I'm gonna plug it in. One of the things I might test is, do I have any voltage on the far end of the rope light? So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick the prongs right in the center, and there we go. Hard to see those guys. Okay, so I have both prongs buried in there and I have less than a volt. Okay, so I definitely have nothing going through this. So when I'm talking to customers on the phone, what I ask them to do is unplug their rope light and cut the rectifier out of the power cord. So that's what I'm going to do. And then what I want to do is reinstall the power cord without the rectifier. If my rope light lights up, I know my rope light is good. I do not need to replace it. I just need a new power cord with a new rectifier. That's all. So that's what we're going to do. Gonna go black to black and white to white, plug it back in. Okay, with any luck, this will fire up. And there you go. Now, if you look at it right now, I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick it up, but right now it's flashing, it's strobing. So you wouldn't want to run it like this. Actually hurts my eyes to even look at it, to be honest with you. But that's why when we convert your AC to DC with the rectifier, that's what smooths this out and makes it look good. So I know right now that all I need to do is install a new power cord, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with this rope light. We're good to go.